Hey there, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'm going to share with you the roadmap to become a data analyst. So, I'm going to cover three important things in this video. The first is I'm going to tell you the tools that you need to learn to become a data analyst, and I will also tell the order in which you need to learn them. After that, I'm going to share with you some websites where you can learn data analytics for free. And then I will tell you how to build your portfolio online while you're learning. Because to become a data analyst, you will be learning a lot. Along the way, you should, try to share what you're learning with the public. It's called learning in public. It's very important because if nobody knows that you are learning data analytic except you should make sure that everyone knows that you you want to become a data analyst and you're doing all these things, and you should keep documenting whatever you're doing on few platforms that I will tell you in a while. So let's get started. The first thing you need to learn is some basic statistics. Even if you're not comfortable in learning math, no problem, get started with Excel. That's what I would suggest, because is people most people don't like mathematics, but when it comes to data analytics, mathematics is important, especially statistics is very important. Knowing basic statistics like mean, mode, median, and all those stuffs are really important. So learn basic statistics, and then you need to learn Excel. Excel, as you all know, is a tool. It's a most used tool by a data analyst. So learning Excel is really important. After that, the language of the future, Python. You need to learn Python because whatever you want to become, whether you want to become a data analyst or a data scientist or a machine learning engineer, a computer vision engineer, or a natural language processing specialist, whatever it is, a field related to AI, there is no way you can, you know, become anything in the field of AI without learning Python. So learning Python is vital. After that, you need to learn SQL. These are like the three must learn tools before you get started. Before you even get started with data analytics, you need to know these three basic tools. This is a must learn tool. So start with whatever you prefer. You can start with SQL or you can start with Python. It's totally up to you, but don't move, you know, you will not be able to move to the next step without learning these tools. So learn them. After that, it's time you focus on the Python libraries. There, I have suggested for you six Python libraries, in which four are normal Python libraries, whereas three libraries are especially for visualization. So the first library you need to learn is NumPy, then Pandas. Pandas is like, you know, the mother of all libraries. You must learn Pandas because with Pandas we will be able to clean and arrange. It's like SQL. It's like SQL in Python. In SQL, we query and we modify, we create, we delete using queries, right? In Pandas, we do the same with code, with Python code. You must learn this Pandas, then scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is the machine learning library with which we can create models, and then SciPy. Then you need to learn Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly. You can learn any two in this from these three. I would suggest you learn Plotly because Plotly is a more advanced visualization library compared to Matplotlib and Seaborn, and it is interactive as well. if you say I'm not going to do my visualization with code, if you're someone like that, then there is two popular no code tools for visualization as well, which is Power BI and Tableau. You can learn any one of them. I would suggest as a beginner you learn Power BI because it's completely free and you can just download it from your Microsoft Store. But there is a way to learn them. When learning tools like Power BI, you cannot, learn it by piece. You need to build a project while you're learning. So I would suggest a few projects which I have written here, which is employee performance dashboard, website traffic dashboard, Amazon sales dashboard. You can, just type these on YouTube or Google and or even ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how to do all this. You need to give prompts, okay, and try building all these projects. And after learning Python libraries and a no code tool, you can then move to building projects because our ultimate goal is to, provide some form of service to our company, right? So you need to be able to analyze data. So to do all this, you need data set, right? To get the data set, there is a website called kaggle.com. You can go to kaggle.com and there are plenty of data sets you can find there. You just need to first log in and then go to this section called datasets. For data, if you want to practice data visualization, you can just click on this. You will get plenty of data sets. You can choose one and download it and load it in your Google Colab. You must also, get yourself familiar with Google Colab. After building some good amount of project, you need to share those projects with people, to share your work. The four amazing platforms I would recommend are LinkedIn, Medium, X, former Twitter, and YouTube. If you're someone who is, very shy in making videos, you can write blogs on Medium, X, and LinkedIn where, people with similar interest can connect with you. I personally write a lot of blogs on a platform called Medium. You can check out my blog. Let me show a few of my blogs. This is a exploratory data analysis blog that I have written. I did a project and then I wrote this blog and shared what I did with people. This is something that you need to do. Whenever you build a new project or whenever you learn a new topic, you just need to create it as a content, whether it can be a blog or it can be a video, and you should post it on these platforms. And I've also told you that I'm going to suggest a few websites where you can learn data analytics for free. The first website is called greatlearning.com. So this platform has plenty of courses for free. I suggest you check out this. Wait, sorry. Great Learning. Just type Great Learning. This is something. Yeah, this is the website, mygreatlearning.com. Go to this, log in, and there are courses for AI and machine learning, data science. You can go inside this, tech, and so on. I I highly recommend you to try this. And if you want to do some online internships, there is another website called Forage. In Forage, very uh, popular companies like TCS, Capgemini, and a lot more, say like JP Morgan, Accenture are providing online internships. and you will also get a certificate after completing these online internships. I recommend you to log into this page and get your hands on some online internships as well. So to get dataset, you got Kaggle. To share your work, you got Medium. And to do internship, you got 4H. And to learn, you got Great Learning and YouTube. YouTube is also a great source where you can learn a lot. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.